How to make Jamaican cornmeal pudding with a twist. This is a step-by-step recipe, so make sure you check out the description to get the full step-by-step guide. Hi, my name is Amelia. Welcome to Amalicious Cooking. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel for more meal ideas. Let me know what you think of this recipe. Now, this recipe is something that I have done before. I've made pudding before, cornmeal pudding, potato pudding. Then I remember specifically I tried to make another cornmeal pudding because it's not one of them pudding that I have regularly, but I do like. So I've made one before and it came out really nice and soft. Then after that, I tried to make another one and it came out tough. So I'm thinking, what am I doing wrong? I've made like 3 times. Same recipe, not coming out right. So I spoke to my mom the other day and she said to me, well, I've added this other ingredients and this other ingredient, so this might work. So I decided to give it a try. Now I have added plantain and also the foreign sweet potato because that is what available to me at the time. So I decided to use it and it's not so sweet and it's nice and softer. So I decided to use that one, add to my cornmeal. The step-by-step recipe will be in my description. Now you can go and check it out. Guys, remember to share with a friend and a friend. And let me know in the comments if you try the recipe or when you try it, come back and tell me what you think about this cornmeal pudding. This was so delicious, soft and moist. I used 3 cups of coconut milk there because, and this is now depending on the amount of flour that you're going to use. Remember, guys, to grease your pan. I use grease-proof paper and I baked at 250 or gas mark 4. At the end, when you're doing the topping, make sure the cake is set before you add the topping, but you have to make sure that you check it so it's not dried out. Check it at the end to make sure it's nice and soft. But remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments. You know, I always appreciate everybody that support my channel, who supports, who watch, who shares. Look, palm pudding. Nice and soft. Thank you for watching. Bye.